Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to add Google Analytics to Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, you have to create an account at googleanalytics.com. I guess your Google account would work on that, but then you have to set it up separately for Google Analytics. So open Google Analytics on analytics.google.com and click on setup for free. After clicking on setup for free button, this page will appear and it will ask you for some account details. For example, your account name, your uh, data sharing settings. So you can check whichever you want and uncheck whichever you don't want. Next, it will ask you for some property details, your time zone, your currency, and then you will click next. This page now asks for your business information, which includes industry category, business size, and how do you intend to use Google Analytics with your business. Check mark all that applies to your business and click on the Create button. This dialog box will appear. Please check I also accept the data processing terms as required by GDPR, and check another dialog. I accept the measurement controller data protection terms for the data that I share with Google, and click on my I accept button. Now this dialog box will appear. You have to check whatever you want and uncheck whatever you don't want and click on the save button. After clicking it on, go to the admin part. This page will appear, and now under the admin and in this left side menu, click on data streams button. After clicking on data streams button, click on the web button. Click on the web button. Now this dialog box will appear. It will ask you for your website URL and your stream name. So go back to your Shopify store and copy the web URL. After copying it, get back to this Google Analytics page and now paste the link here and name the stream. Turn on the enhanced measurement option and click on create stream button. After that, this global site tag will appear, so click on copy. After clicking on copy, get back to your Shopify account and from the left side of the menu, click on online store and then click on preferences. After clicking on preferences, under the Google Analytics tab, in the given space, paste your code here. And you're done. So that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.